Real quickly here, while we were on hold a while ago, I took a couple calls. So let's enter one, and we'll see how quickly that goes.
Okay.
Now, these are both for Friday, so just real quickly, I could do it right from here, but it's always a little funner to do it right from the day, so we'll go into the day here, and I'm going to have to answer that phone.
Okay.
So can we pause for just a moment?
Yeah, sure.
All right, put you on. Okay, I'm back.
Okay, so
All right.
I'll just
Let's enter a call real quick here. Now, because I don't know who it's going to go to, I'm just going to click. I've created a worker called unassigned here. I like that because it allows me to use the mapping program. So I'll just come over here, and here goes my phone again. So
Okay.
I'm going to have to put you on pause again
No
here.
problem.
Hold on. I'm back. And, okay, so this is a new customer, so we're just going to go, I'm going to put in their name here. Customer type, residential. They're coupon holders, so we keep track of our advertising right there. And we'll put in a phone number here. Just like that. Come down here. Location. They're in the panorama area. We'll put that in there, just kind of gives a general location on the map.
Okay.
Then you can see how I had previously typed that in there, so it popped up in there, which was nice. And so now the actual address, 68830 Corona Road. That's in Cathedral City. Cathedral City, and we're going to validate that address so it comes up on the map just like that. So the person's entered. Now we can create the job, the things I put in, so that makes it helpful. Substatus, I like to set the substatus because it's going to put a little icon on the dispatch board that's going to help me identify the type of call that it is.
Okay.
So I put that in there, and it's on Friday between 9 and 11. I created a little custom thing here so I could put in panorama area.
So that's a custom field you've created.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops, panorama. Yeah. Yeah, it's a custom field that I created. I also created this one here, special instructions, if I had anything. You know, they made some special comment or something, but I'm going to go ahead and add a service right here.
So you have your price book in front of you.
Right.
Okay.
Pretty much. And just check it out real quick. Everything looks good. Hit save. And then we'll print one off.
Now I understand you have purchased or you're looking into netbooks.
Yeah, I did get some. I got 2 netbooks.
Okay.
It works pretty good on that. All right, so there's the work order. Just check, make sure everything's in here and looks good. And then we just print one off like that. And then got another one. And we could do it again here, right there, just like that. Just come over here, add new.
So we're adding a customer.
Yep, add another customer. What was your name? Little Italian girl. POSCACCI. Just like that. And she's phone book.
So keeping track of your marketing dollars there in the drop-down box.
Exactly. It's really nice. And 328 413. Just like that. Well, somebody's calling me again here. Go ahead, Danny.
Yeah, we're 97 over here. We've been here for about 10, 15 minutes. For some reason your phone was busy. Just giving you a heads up.
Thank you, sir. All right, now we'll pop an address.
Also, see, we're not collecting over here. Do we still write up an invoice and give it to the homeowner or to the tenant or what?
Yeah, it's always a good idea to write something up. We need to call Ron and find out what he wants to charge him.
We're not collecting here, right? We're collecting from Ingrid, I think her name was.
My bad. Yeah, I was thinking you were doing that relay. Yeah, just if there's something that needs to be done right then and there, call Ingrid and talk to her about it. Let her know what the charges are, and if she can get a pre-approval for you to make repairs right then. If not, then just button it up and write it up, and I'll fax it to her. All right, so the customer's in there, and it's maintenance once again, and mark it as a maintenance. Move over here, and this is my life. You can hear the phone ringing in the background.
No, it's great. It's
good.
It's
all
fun.
good.
It's fun watching you behind the scenes here, seeing how you're using it.
This is what it's like. See, this is why it works.
Yeah.
Because I have one account, the one that you heard me speaking to the guys about here just a second ago. And if we go over here to the board for today, we'll see that that's what this is right here. See, 10E, this is an actual on-site call. And because quite often when we go this is a property management company in the area, they've got tons of homes that they manage.
Okay.
And, you know, as rental property is, not everybody wants to repair everything, you know, or they want 10 estimates. So we go there. We use, we charge them a service call to go out, but then I just use the estimating program because they're going to want a nice written estimate of what's going on. So right here, you're just looking at the on-site sales call. That's a sales call. The guys are out there right now, which they're done. They just finished. And when they get back, I'll write up what they found. When I get in here, like right here, it's nice. Yeah, I get in here. And I can just go in here and say, clogged filter.
What do you like about the estimate feature? What's your favorite part about it?
Well, what it does is what's nice about it here. We'll save it and I'll show you. It's a very clean looking estimate.
Okay.
You know, and it before what I would end up sending them was like a work order.
Mm-hmm.
Basically. I just send them a work order, and it just doesn't have the same look. You know, here it says it's an estimate. This is what it's going to cost. Blah blah blah. And it's just the whole feel of it. It's bigger font. Looks nicer. It's a very clean looking document once it all prints out. So that's what I like. And then the fact is that it's just an estimate too. It's just in the system as an estimate. It's not in there as a dollar figure. So if I run a report, it doesn't really, you know, if I want to do like an end of day or something like that, it doesn't affect my report unless I ask it to. You know, if I want to include, you know, possible future sales or something like that, I'm sure I can go in here and under reports and generate, something here. I haven't tried this yet, estimate analysis here, but it says build report, and I'm sure I can go in here and it's got, a gazillion little options that I can do and figure out. And so there's just, there's a lot going on in here. It's very cool.